Hey guys, so I just randomly thought of this video idea, but I thought I would do like a how to glow up before you go back to school type video. So I know this is kind of late because like I'm going back to school like so late, even for college, but like not even like to mention high school. But you can do these tips at any time and whatever. So tip number 1, get your hair done, get that cut, you know, whatever, get that color if you want it. Mostly I'm just getting mine cut because I like brush it and then I stand there for 5 minutes and it's like in a visible knot. So that's not cute. So I'm just gonna try to fix that today. So now that my hair's done, obviously we have to move on to step 2, which would be get new clothes. So I'm at Goodwill with Olivia Babe,
So
and
we're at Goodwill for new clothes.
Obviously for new clothes we're gonna get non-new clothes, but
not only are we at Goodwill, but we're at By the Pound Goodwill.
Okay.
Missing someone, love with all your heart. Bruh. Missing someone, love with heart.
I just have to make a disclaimer about this one. I'm gonna put this over like a white sweater. So step number 3 is to eat healthy. Say where we are.
We're at Life Alive Organic Cafe and Urban Oasis today. This is pretty much an everyday spot for us. All my money goes to this place. Super healthy, organic, and urban.
Okay, so tip number 4. I'm here with Courtney. She's backing out of my driveway.
Trying to.
But tip number 4 is to make a drastic change in your life. So this could mean getting a tattoo, getting something weird pierced, you know? So
get your genitals pierced.
Okay, so today, Courtney's going to get a tattoo, and I'm going with, and I'm gonna film it. So to keep on the health trend, we just got some healthy drinks. So I got magic milk. This is from Press Cafe. So it's like coconut milk, vanilla almond milk, ashwagandha, blue spirulina, and agave. This is so good. But then I also got a whiskey shot, which is ginger, turmeric, lemon, cayenne, and oregano oil. And I already had one sip of it and I wanted to die, so I'm gonna use my magic milk as a chaser.
Can I smell the milk?
Yeah, it smells really good. We're gonna fucking... I need a fucking napkin. Oh. It's so good. I love being healthy. disgusting. Ow. This hurt more than the tattoo. Ow, I can't get it. Ow. Because he put it like far in. Ow, it's like on my boob. Ow, ow. Ah, it looks so good. Ow, ow. Oh my god, it looks so good. So, tip number 5, last but not least, would be to paint your nails. So, you know, I'm too cheap to get them done, but I don't really like to do them and like fix them every day. So I'm using this Funky Fingers. It's like little glitter pieces. So like my friend did this for New Year's with gold, so I'm gonna do this. These are literally basically Christmas colors, but like whatever. Hopefully it doesn't look too weird. But that way it like can't really chip because it's just like clear with like little glitter pieces. And so, you know, it doesn't break the budget and you don't have to fix it every day. So that's my last tip. So let's just go paint my nails. Also, yeah, I'm doing my nails on this Marist fashion magazine, so that's cute. Woo. I really can't tell if these look cool or stupid as fuck. Like, I don't know. And obviously you can do other like classic tips, like do a face mask, you know, take a bath with a bath bomb, whatever. Drink more water. But I was trying to do more like unique tips that like not everyone does. Except that like eat healthy is pretty obvious and I feel like everyone does that, but whatever, we're gonna disregard that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you got something great out of it. I hope that you're about to glow the fuck up for school and look bomb. So, because I know I am, so thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh my god, I literally just licked it.